You know what I want to do? I want to carve a pumpkin. But how are you supposed to carve a pumpkin if you don't have a pumpkin? So you know what I think we should go do? I think we should go buy a pumpkin so we can carve a pumpkin. And I think we should go now. I could put the stencil on top of it and then draw it out. Like, can I really, how badly can I mess up tracing? I'm tracing. Okay, they made it as simple as can be. So honestly, I can't really mess up tracing. You can't get mad at me for messing this up. Pumpkin scraps go in here. Granny might come and say hi at one point. She's a really light sleeper, so if she hears me, she's gonna come in and say hi. So she comes in and says hi. Just say hi, okay? Okay. What's going on in here? Trash bag. Also, side note, make sure you have your protective goggles on, okay? Because you never know. The pumpkins can get crazy. I've seen them get crazy. Okay, are these even sharp? The lady at the register said, quote, "Be careful, those rocks are sharper than you think." And I said, oh really? I thought they were just coins. Open the tools. Here are the tools. You like the tools? Let me give you a little ooh ah. Ooh ah. Ooh ah. She lied. She lied. She lied. Ouch. That hurts. Okay, so it says top and clean. What does that mean? Top and clean. Oh! O'Reilly Auto Parts. Okay. How do I top and clean? I'm assuming I cut the top part. I mean, cut this. But how do I cut that? With this? What is this supposed to do? Look at this. What type of sorcery is this? Not even a sorcerer would have this. What type of tool is this? Sorry, I forgot. Safety first all the time, kids. All the time. Look what that did. Do you see that? Right there? Right there? It did absolutely nothing. Okay, let's try another tool. This was a waste of $5. I want my money back. No. Okay, maybe let's try this tool. No, we tried that one. Let's try this one maybe. Will this work? How old were her kids that were using this? Because this... Oh wait. I think we might be getting somewhere. I think she might have been onto something. Look at this. I got it. I finally got it inside. It's finally inside. So now... Oops. Oops. Wrong one. Oh wait, was that too big? I don't know. Wow. Oh gosh. Oops. The line is looking a bit crooked. Does it look kind of crooked? 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh, my eyes! Look at this. This is why I said wear your goggles. Come on, pumpkin skin. Come out. Come out. Come out. We will continue cutting open this pineapple. I'm not even that strong to be. Ugh, maybe I am just. You know what? Maybe I am strong. Maybe I am just the strongest person alive. Mammal. Mammal. Cut. Okay. Come on, pumpkin. Oh, I hear it. Guys, I opened it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I opened a pumpkin. I opened a pumpkin all by myself. You just have to take off your goggles and witness this with your plain, naked, bare eyes. Oh my goodness. I opened the pumpkin all by myself. It smells like pumpkin. Next, outline stencil. Oh wait, no, we didn't. It said top and clean. Ooh, the seeds. We can make pumpkin seeds with this, huh? I think this is the tool you. Scrape. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Stay right where you are. Do not move. I repeat, do not move, or I will give you a big open on your tushy. Okay? Stay right there. Do not talk to anyone while I am zigging. Okay? Be back.
Hello? How's this thing work? Jay. Is this thing on? Is this a mirror? I see myself.
Granny looking fly. I am Zebek. See, oh, this is just so much. Look at this. Wait, hold up. Here we go. This is kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is real fun. Wee. Tickle, tickle, wiggle. Oh, my eye, another one. Eyes. And this is why, kids, I recommend you wear your goggles when you do this. It is very dangerous, carving pumpkins. It is one of the most top dangerous jobs out there. So I say goggles at all times, please. Does this look pretty clean to you? It looks pretty clean to me. Now, what do we do? Outline stencil. Okay. Outline stencil. Is this what you would use to outline? What is this even for? Is that even pokey? Did I not bring napkins? I did. I always got my back. How do we do this? You need tape? You need tape for this? No one told me I needed tape for this. I didn't know I needed tape for this. Where am I supposed to get tape at such short notice? It's okay. We can improvise. So this is how it's supposed to be. It's okay. We can improvise. I'll do a hole there. We can improvise. Let's improvise. Let's improvise. How am I supposed to do this? Okay, because here, I'll turn around so you can see. Oh, what? I already did the holes. What? Oh, we got it. Oops. And what? What did I just do? Okay. My knees aren't strong enough for this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One line done. Oh, I forgot. I almost forgot goggles. We need goggles. Please tell me, what is this? I'm confused. What did I do? Well, there goes the nose. Oh my gosh. I'm making a mess. Here, look at this. We got the nose done. Just the eyes and mouth to go. Eyes and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Does this kind of look like an eye to you? Does it? A little bit? That looks very interesting. I'm gonna go do the second eye and I'm gonna come right back, okay? Maybe I'm just a little nervous. I've used up all my strength to cut this face. I don't even think it turned out that good. Almost done. I'm just trying to get the mouth to come off. The mouth, look. Can you tell that it's a face? Did I mess it up that badly? Is it that messed up? Can you at least tell it's a face? A little bit? Just gotta clean up this. This eye. Which eye is it? This eye. It's slightly tilted. I kind of wish I made the nose a little bit more centered. But it kind of works. Do we look alike? Welcome to the world, cute. Oh, I'm gonna give it a quick little nose job. Huh. Maybe it was better off without the nose job. A little bit tilted, but that's character, you know what I mean? Looks lovely. Let's take a picture with our first pumpkin.
You guys want some pumpkin soup? I love me some pumpkin soup. What year is it? What is this?
Hi. I'm trying so hard not to scream because everyone seems to be asleep. Anyways. What? It comes with a stencil? But I didn't know it came with this. Oh my goodness, now I feel even better for spending $5 on this. It comes with a scooper, a thing that looks like a mini saw, a chainsaw looking thingy, and another chainsaw looking thingy that's bigger, and then a thingy for a hole. I'm not really sure. This is my first time. This is my first time and your first time. This is our first time, okay? I just got a splinter. Oh, my shoulder. Like my jugs. I got my jugs. Ow. 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 I think we should start off with the big one, maybe. I didn't even know instructions came with this when I bought this. This is crazy. This is absolutely bizarre. This is just absurd. This is just, whoa. Difficulty level 100. That's basically what it says. And I'm a newbie, you know what I mean? I was just gonna go for this. Here's the problem. The problem, you scratched my elbow. My elbow. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm getting hurt by these pumpkins more than I should have. Since, is that a bug? Ew. Go away. Anyways,